Welcome to Lane Turo University. My name is Conrad Layn. The question of the day is, how do you find long-term renters? Quick tip. There's many other tips, but I'm gonna give you another one. So this is how you do it. Go to Google, being your search engine in your state or municipality. Go online and put in management companies. Management companies are basically entities that manage multiple properties that rent to tenants. So, for example, apartment complexes, even hotel establishments, single-family homes, multi-family homes, duplexes, triplexes, fourplexes, etc. And what you want to do, you want to get to know the people who run the company, like the managers at the management company. And what you can essentially do is leave your business card, give them your website, and when they're showing people around for a tenant, sometimes these people need cars to rent, or sometimes their own staff need a car to pick up people in. So you can go to real estate offices. Oftentimes, they might need a car to take their guests around, or maybe they just know someone who just signed a lease and they're new to town. They don't have a car, or they need a bigger car, and they can rent your car. That's one tactic. Another tactic to actually get to the point where you start making more money actually is by starting like social media accounts like a Facebook and Instagram, etc. You're already on Instagram already, you're already on YouTube, TikTok, Twitter. Start an account that's not for you, but for your cars. It could be your tour host car profile gallery where you have pictures of your car, videos, so that you can actually start marketing your car outside of Turo. That's how you can actually do it. This actually works. This is how you do it. You start meeting with management companies. You give them your website, your social media accounts, showing all your beautiful cars and your pictures and your descriptions. Now it places you in SEO, which is Google search engine optimization. That's how you do it, people. So if you do that, you'll definitely succeed. Love you guys. Love you guys. Share, calling out.